Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extensions. In this video, I will show you how to use the Natural Reader Chrome extension for text to speech. This extension can read website, PDF, article, and document aloud directly in your browser. It's useful for study and multitasking. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now you will search for Natural Reader. Here you will see the first one is it. Click on it, click on add to Chrome, then click on add extension. After installing, click on puzzle icon, then mark it as pin. Now you will see the natural reader icon near the top right corner. To use it, open any web page or article. Like I'm opening any article website, and then click the natural reader extension icon. Here you will see welcome to natural reader. You can select a reading voice, like I'm selecting this.
Dear team, I hope this email finds you well. I wanted to remind everyone that the deadline for the quarterly report submissions is next Friday, September 15th.
Select. Now just simply click on the extension icon. Click on this.
Crazy tech tricks. How to insert calendar in PowerPoint. 3 easy methods. Learn how to insert calendar in PowerPoint with templates, tables, or Excel. Present professional and organized slides which
tap on this icon to pause it, or you can change the speed or change the voices. Like now I'm selecting this voice.
Present professional and organized slides which display schedules.
Present professional and organized slides which
Present professional and organized slides.
Different voices are available. Which voice you hearing good?
Present professional and
choose this one. Natural Reader also work with PDF and Google Docs in many cases, making it great for students and office work. That's it. You now know how to use the Natural Reader Chrome extension for text to speech. If this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.